This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining a single base size so Rem calculations are consistent across your design system. Create a root frame or component and set its font size to 16px. That makes one Rem equal to 16px. Once done, name this base or root so team members find it quickly. Make sure typography tokens reference that base value rather than individual pixel sizes. This prevents drift and ensures components scale predictably. Now you're ready to convert element sizes into Rem units. Now convert existing pixel values into Rem by dividing each px value by the base size. For example, 24px divided by 16px equals 5 Rem. Once you have those values, create design tokens or variables in Figma, store font size, line height, spacing as Rem-based tokens. Then replace hard-coded px values in components with the tokens. This makes updates fast. When you change the base, everything scales. If you use plugins, automate conversions to reduce manual errors. Finish by applying your Rem tokens across components and layout constraints so spacing and typography inherit correctly. Once applied, test by changing the base font size, for example 16px to 18px, and verify elements scale as expected. If something looks off, inspect nested components and overrides. A locally set px value can break Rem flow. Make sure there are no conflicting styles and that tokens are linked, not duplicated. One troubleshooting tip: search for any remaining px values and replace them with tokens to restore predictable scaling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.